In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between List and Grid View in Google Drive. If you've ever opened your Drive and thought the files looked a little cluttered or too spaced out, this quick switch can make a big difference. The Grid View is great when you want big previews of images and documents, while the List View is perfect for scanning file names, owners, and dates in a tidy, compact layout. First, sign into your Google Drive on your computer. Once you're in, you'll see your files and folders on the main screen. We're going to focus on the upper right corner of the interface. That's where the View toggle lives. Look near the Settings gear and the Help icon. You'll see a small button that changes appearance depending on your current view. Here's the key detail. The button always shows the view you will switch to, not the one you're already using. So if you're currently in List View, the button will look like a small grid of squares. If you're in Grid View, the button will look like stacked lines representing a list. To switch, simply click that button. If you click the grid icon, your files will immediately shift into Grid View with larger thumbnails, which is especially helpful for photos, videos, and visually oriented documents. If you click the list icon, your files will reorganize into neat rows with columns for details like file size, owner, and last modified date. It's instant, there's no loading or extra confirmation, and you can swap back and forth as often as you like. A helpful tip is to hover your mouse over the button before clicking. A tooltip will appear that says either Grid View or List View, confirming what you're about to switch to. If you don't see the button right away, make sure your browser window isn't too narrow. Expanding the window often brings the controls back into view. This change only affects how you see your files. It doesn't alter the files themselves or how other people see them. Your choice typically sticks, so the next time you open Drive on the same device and browser, it will remember your preferred view. That's all there is to it. Sign into Google Drive, locate the View toggle in the upper right corner, and click it to switch between List and Grid. Try both to see which works best for your current task. Once you get used to that little button, you'll find it's one of the fastest ways to make your Drive feel more organized and comfortable to navigate.